Halo friend, welcome to Raya Toy World. Okay, this is all part that all we need to make a robot helicopter. Okay, first we made the body of helicopter. Also, it become the body of the robot. By the way, you can make this robot use any brand of toy block. Maybe you can use Lego or Mega Block or etc. Okay, finish with the body, and then we made the head of helicopter. Also become the head of robot. Next, we make the tail of helicopter. It also become the leg of a robot. You can use any color of toy block. It's up to you. Now we combine it from head with the body and then the tail of helicopter. Okay, the last thing, we make the propeller of helicopter. Okay, finish. This is the helicopter. Okay, now it is time to transform it become a robot. The head of helicopter you can put in above the body, and then the weapon become the arm of robot. Okay, finish. Now we check the tail of helicopter and transform it become the leg of the robot. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can get the update of the new video. Okay, finish, and then the last thing We make the propeller of helicopter become wings of a robot.